How to create and use medical templates, SOAP notes, intake forms, and etc.
1. What are medical templates? Medical templates are pre-formatted documents used repeatedly for tasks like charting, patient documentation, intake, and communication. These ensure consistency, efficiency, and compliance. 2. Creating SOAP notes clinical documentation template. SOAP stands for subjective, objective, assessment, plan. This format is widely used by doctors and nurses to document a patient's condition. S. A subjective. Patient reports headache and blurred vision for 2 days. Pain is rated 7/10. OA objective. Vital signs. BP 140/90. HR 78. Pupils equal and reactive. No fever. AT assessment. Possible migraine with visual aura. Rule out hypertension-related headache. PED plan. Prescribed ibuprofen for 100 mg PRN. Advised rest. Follow up in 3 days. How MVAs use it. Assist in transcribing notes from dictation. Prepare draft notes for providers, never final diagnoses unless authorized. Store and organize them using Google Docs, EHRS, or client templates. 3. Creating patient intake forms. These forms are completed by patients before their first consultation. As an MVA, you can help create, send, or manage responses. Sample intake form fields. Full name: Juan de la Cruz. Date of birth: January 1, 1985. Contact information: Juan de la Cruz @email.com. Reason for visit: chronic back pain. Medical history: diabetes, asthma, current medications. Metformin, salbutamol, allergies, penicillin. Tools to create it: Google Forms, easiest for online collection. Jotform or Typeform, more advanced design. Fillable PDF for offline collection. Tip: make sure you do not collect sensitive PHI unless you are using a HIPAA-compliant platform or have client permission. For other useful templates for MVAs and their example uses, appointment reminder. Hi, patient name. Your appointment is on date and time with doctor. Please confirm. Follow-up email. Hope you're feeling better. Please complete this short feedback form. Medical abbreviation list. For quick reference example: BP equals blood pressure, HR equals heart rate. Task tracker or daily log. Record all completed admin work for client transparency. 5. Best practices when using templates. Always double-check the info before sending to patients or clients. Keep templates organized in folders, example, Google Drive or OneDrive. Make templates editable. Client may want to modify. Do not store PHI in unsecured platforms. Summary: using medical templates helps you work faster, more professionally, and stay consistent. As an MVA, learn to master templates like SOAP notes for documentation, intake forms for new patients, appointment and follow-up messages, admin logs, abbreviation lists, and more. Start simple. Create one master template for each task and customize as needed per client. Why use templates? Templates are your best friend SAMVA life. They help you save time, stay consistent, avoid redundancy of making forms, look professional, and impress your client.